Many of our clients come to us several months after they've been involved in a wreck because they just aren't feeling right. Their fingers are numb and tingling, their toes are numb and tingling, they're dropping things, they're tripping, they're not getting comfortable at night to sleep, and the pain's not going away. For some reason, they're not responding to the conservative treatment, and they're starting to get worried that there's more to this injury than they first thought, and they need somebody to help. I had a client once that came to us 6 or 7 months after his collision. It was a small impact as far as we knew. He only had a broken windshield. He'd been in chiropractic care and wasn't getting better, and he came to us for help. We got him into a doctor that could do an MRI, and it turns out his neck was fractured, and he had some spinal cord damage as a result of the fracture, and he hadn't known it for months. He just knew that the tingling, the numbness, and the pain wasn't going away. These cases are more complicated than your typical whiplash injury or your neck sprain or strain or your back sprain or strain. When it's not resolving, you need to take some action to protect yourself and to help yourself heal. There are 3 good ways that you can protect yourself when you think you might have a spinal cord injury. One of those is to be very proactive with your treatment. You need to go to every visit that your doctor prescribes for you and engage in all the treatment that they recommend. Just because you're not getting better doesn't mean you shouldn't go to your physical therapy appointments. You need to make sure that you make every one of those appointments, because it may be that you have a sprain or a strain that takes a long time to heal, or it may be something more serious, and your therapist and doctor can work together to determine what that is. If you aren't seeing progress, speak up. Make sure you tell your doctors honestly and openly about the things that are getting better and the things that aren't. You need to be very clear and use specifics. It doesn't give the doctor very much information if you simply say, "I'm not getting better." You need to tell them what things are progressing and what things aren't, so that they can narrow down and try to diagnose exactly what's going on. And if you still feel like you aren't getting the answers you need and you feel like you're not making progress, go for a second opinion. Get as much information as you possibly can to help identify what's going wrong and to try to get the right treatment for your injuries. Our office has dealt with many different types of spinal cord injuries and many levels of severity. Please call us if you need help. If you feel like you're at a dead end and you're not getting better, let us know. We'll help you identify the right paths and help you stay on that proactive course to healing.